Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be teaching you how to create your very own Notion template. However, if you're not informed, if you're not aware, there are already templates available that has been made by other users. So you might want to go down here, go to templates, and then you can check and discover different templates for work, life, or school. So there are templates that are available and there are that needs to be paid for. But if you're interested, let's say this one, school life dashboard, then yeah, this may be the one for you. But if you want to create your own, that's fine as well. What you want to do is go to more, go here and create a new page, then just select template. And then let's say this template is, let's say it's just a simple, oh, sorry. Let's say it's a checklist, morning checklist there. And then we want to click on add. And then let's say to-do list. Let's say tidy up the bed, drink water, exercise, 20-minute exercise. Now, you may also add some icons here. Or if you don't want icons, you may also add a cover. You can select from their wide available range of gallery right here, or you may also upload your own photos. But yeah, if you want, you can just select from this page right there. You may also remove the icon again. And now to make this a template, what you want to do is you're gonna click on this, right click, click on duplicate. Now the duplicate, this is what you're gonna use as a template. So you want to click on share, and then you want to click on this one right here, and then just click on full access or can edit. But there's also, you can publish it online. So just click on publish, create a website with Notion, so you may publish it right there. So this is the site, the search engine, and the duplicate as template. So you can view this, view as site. So this is the template that you made. And this can now be accessed by other users as well. And yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out in creating your very own template in Notion. It's a very good application to use, especially if you want to organize things, if you want to organize your schedule, if you want to create trackers. This is the application for you. And if this was able to help you out, please, of course, do hit the like, share, and the subscribe button, as we will be making more helpful videos just like this one, only here on Telc Help Guy.